Heart-brain coherence meditation is a powerful practice that helps synchronize the rhythm of the heart with the activity of the brain, creating a harmonious state in which the body, mind, and emotions work together rather than against one another. For centuries, spiritual traditions have spoken about the importance of aligning the heart and the mind. Ancient yogic teachings encouraged practitioners to unite wisdom with compassion. Buddhist traditions emphasized cultivating loving kindness while maintaining mindful awareness. Mystical schools across cultures describe the heart as the center of intuition and higher consciousness. Modern science has begun to validate many of these timeless teachings by demonstrating that the heart and brain are in constant communication through neurological, hormonal, and energetic pathways. Heart brain coherence meditation bridges the wisdom of ancient spirituality with contemporary neuroscience, offering a practical way to experience greater peace, emotional resilience, mental clarity, and overall well being. Many people live with a constant internal conflict. The mind races with endless thoughts, worries, plans, and judgments, while the heart longs for peace, connection, gratitude, and love. This inner tug of war creates stress, anxiety, emotional exhaustion, and even physical illness. Heart brain coherence meditation gently dissolves this conflict by helping the heart and brain communicate in a balanced and synchronized manner. Instead of functioning from fear, frustration, or overwhelm, individuals begin responding from calmness, compassion, and inner wisdom. To understand heart brain coherence meditation, it is helpful to first understand what coherence means. Coherence refers to a state of order, harmony, and efficient functioning. Imagine an orchestra where every musician follows the conductor perfectly. Every instrument blends beautifully with the others, creating inspiring music rather than chaotic noise. The same principle applies within the human body. When the heart, brain, nervous system, hormones, and emotions operate in harmony, we experience coherence. Our thoughts become clearer, our emotions stabilize, our immune system strengthens, and our energy flows more efficiently. The heart is much more than a mechanical pump circulating blood throughout the body. Scientific research has shown that the heart possesses an intrinsic nervous system containing approximately 40,000 specialized neurons. This heart brain communicates continuously with the brain through the vagus nerve, hormonal signals, electromagnetic fields, and pressure waves. In fact, more signals travel from the heart to the brain than from the brain to the heart. This means that the heart plays an active role in influencing perception, emotional regulation, decision making, and cognitive function. The heart also generates the strongest electromagnetic field in the human body. This field extends several feet beyond the physical body and can be measured using sensitive scientific instruments. Research suggests that our emotional states influence the quality of this electromagnetic field. Feelings such as gratitude, appreciation, compassion, and unconditional love create smooth, rhythmic heart patterns associated with coherence. In contrast, emotions such as anger, fear, resentment, frustration, and anxiety create irregular heart rhythms that disrupt communication between the heart and brain. The brain, meanwhile, serves as the command center for perception, reasoning, memory, creativity, and voluntary movement. While the brain processes enormous amounts of information every second, it relies heavily on feedback received from the heart and body. When heart rhythms become coherent, the brain functions more efficiently. Studies have shown improvements in attention, memory, reaction time, creativity, and emotional regulation during coherent states. Rather than wasting energy managing stress responses, the brain can devote more resources toward learning, innovation, problem solving, and higher consciousness. Stress is one of the greatest obstacles to heart brain coherence. Modern lifestyles expose people to continuous stressors, including financial worries, work pressures, family responsibilities, information overload, poor sleep, unhealthy diets, and constant digital distractions. These stressors activate the sympathetic nervous system, commonly known as the fight or flight response. While this response is essential for survival during genuine emergencies, remaining in this state for prolonged periods can damage physical and emotional health. When stress dominates daily life, heart rhythms become erratic. Cortisol and adrenaline levels rise. Blood pressure increases. Breathing becomes shallow. Muscles tense. The immune system weakens. Digestion slows. Decision making becomes reactive rather than thoughtful. Emotional resilience declines. Over time, chronic stress contributes to cardiovascular disease, diabetes, anxiety disorders, depression, burnout, insomnia, and numerous inflammatory conditions. Heart brain coherence meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest response. As breathing slows and positive emotions emerge, the vagus nerve stimulates relaxation throughout the body. Heart rhythms become smooth and synchronized. Blood pressure decreases. Stress hormones decline while beneficial hormones such as DHEA and oxytocin increase. The immune system becomes more effective, inflammation reduces, and the body begins repairing itself naturally. One of the most fascinating aspects of heart brain coherence meditation is the importance of emotional self regulation. Unlike meditation techniques that focus solely on concentration or mindfulness, coherence meditation intentionally cultivates elevated emotions. Practitioners consciously generate feelings of gratitude, appreciation, compassion, forgiveness, joy, kindness, or unconditional love. These emotional states naturally organize heart rhythms into coherent patterns. Gratitude plays a particularly significant role in coherence meditation. Genuine gratitude shifts attention away from scarcity and fear toward abundance and appreciation. Instead of focusing on problems, the mind begins recognizing blessings, opportunities, supportive relationships, and simple joys. Scientific studies have consistently shown that gratitude improves sleep quality, reduces anxiety, strengthens immune function, lowers blood pressure, enhances happiness, and promotes healthier relationships. Compassion is another foundational emotion cultivated during coherence meditation. Compassion softens emotional defenses and reduces judgment toward oneself and others. When compassion grows, resentment gradually dissolves. Emotional burdens become lighter. Relationships improve because communication becomes more empathetic rather than reactive. Compassion also encourages forgiveness, which frees tremendous emotional energy previously trapped in painful memories. Heart-focused breathing forms the foundation of heart-brain coherence meditation. During this practice, individuals gently slow their breathing to approximately 5 or 6 breaths per minute while imagining that each breath flows directly through the heart center. Although the lungs continue performing the physical act of breathing, the imagination shifts awareness to the center of the chest. This simple change in attention appears to influence autonomic nervous system activity and promote coherent heart rhythms. As breathing becomes slower and more rhythmic, the mind naturally settles. Racing thoughts diminish. Emotional turbulence decreases. The body enters a deeply relaxed yet highly alert state. This combination of relaxation and focused awareness creates ideal conditions for healing, insight, creativity, and spiritual growth. Regular practice gradually retrains the nervous system. Instead of reacting automatically to stressful situations, practitioners become capable of responding with greater emotional balance. Challenges still arise, but they no longer dominate the inner experience. Individuals develop what psychologists call emotional resilience, the ability to recover quickly from setbacks without becoming overwhelmed. Heart-brain coherence meditation also influences hormonal balance. Stress hormones decrease while hormones associated with healing and connection increase. Oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone, promotes trust, bonding, generosity, and emotional security. DHEA supports healthy aging, immune function, and cognitive performance. Serotonin contributes to emotional stability and well being. Melatonin production may improve, supporting deeper and more restorative sleep. The cardiovascular benefits of coherence meditation are particularly noteworthy. Coherent heart rhythms improve heart rate variability, HRV, which measures the variation in time between heartbeats. Contrary to common belief, a healthy heart does not beat like a metronome. Instead, healthy heart rhythms display subtle variations that reflect the body's ability to adapt to changing conditions. Higher HRV is associated with improved cardiovascular health, greater stress resilience, enhanced emotional regulation, and reduced mortality risk. Research has shown that people with higher heart rate variability generally demonstrate better emotional flexibility, improved decision making, and greater adaptability under pressure. Heart brain coherence meditation consistently improves HRV, making it one of the most effective natural methods for strengthening autonomic nervous system balance. The immune system also benefits significantly from coherence practices. Chronic stress suppresses immune function, increasing susceptibility to infections and slowing recovery from illness. Coherent emotional states appear to enhance immune cell activity while reducing inflammatory markers. Although meditation should never replace appropriate medical treatment, it can complement conventional healthcare by supporting the body's natural healing mechanisms. Sleep quality often improves dramatically through regular coherence meditation. Many individuals struggle with insomnia because their nervous systems remain locked in heightened alertness long after bedtime. Heart-focused breathing calms the nervous system, quiets mental chatter, and prepares the body for restful sleep. Better sleep further enhances emotional regulation, cognitive function, immune health, and physical recovery. Creativity flourishes when the heart and brain become synchronized. During coherence, the brain shifts away from survival-oriented thinking toward expanded awareness. New ideas emerge more easily. Problems appear less threatening. Innovative solutions arise spontaneously. Many artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, scientists, and leaders unknowingly enter coherent states while experiencing moments of inspiration or flow. Decision making also becomes more intuitive during coherent states. Rather than relying exclusively on analytical reasoning, individuals gain access to subtle intuitive insights arising from integrated heart brain communication. Intuition should not replace logic, but combining intuition with rational analysis often produces wiser decisions than either approach alone. Relationships improve because coherent individuals communicate from emotional balance rather than reactivity. During conflict, coherent breathing reduces impulsive responses, allowing thoughtful communication instead of defensive arguments. Partners become better listeners. Parents respond more patiently to children. Leaders inspire trust through calm presence. Friendships deepen because authentic connection replaces emotional volatility. Many spiritual traditions describe the heart as the seat of the soul or the gateway to higher consciousness. Whether interpreted spiritually or psychologically, coherence meditation often produces profound experiences of interconnectedness, gratitude, unconditional love, inner peace, and expanded awareness. Practitioners frequently report feeling deeply connected to nature, humanity, and something greater than themselves. Heart brain coherence meditation can be practiced by people of all ages. Children benefit by developing emotional self regulation early in life. Students improve concentration and reduce examination stress. Working professionals manage workplace pressure more effectively. Athletes enhance focus and performance under competition. Elderly individuals experience greater emotional well-being and cognitive vitality. Healthcare professionals increasingly recognize the therapeutic value of coherence practices. Physicians, psychologists, nurses, counselors, and therapists often recommend heart-focused breathing as part of comprehensive stress management programs. Patients recovering from trauma, anxiety disorders, hypertension, burnout, or chronic illness frequently experience meaningful improvements when coherence meditation complements appropriate medical care. Many practitioners combine heart-brain coherence meditation with affirmations. Once the body enters coherence, affirmations often feel more emotionally believable because the subconscious mind becomes more receptive. Statements emphasizing peace, gratitude, health, abundance, forgiveness, confidence, and purpose resonate more deeply during coherent states. Visualization further enhances the practice. While maintaining heart-focused breathing and elevated emotions, practitioners may imagine healing light filling the body, harmonious relationships, successful outcomes, or compassionate service to humanity. Positive imagery combined with coherent physiology reinforces beneficial neural networks and emotional conditioning. Heart-brain coherence meditation also complements other contemplative practices. It integrates beautifully with mindfulness meditation, yoga, pranayam, loving-kindness meditation, prayer, mantra repetition, journaling, and gratitude practices. Rather than competing with existing spiritual traditions, coherence meditation enriches them by strengthening emotional presence. An especially beautiful aspect of coherence meditation is its ripple effect. Calmness naturally influences others. Families practicing together often experience improved communication and reduced conflict. Workplaces become more collaborative when leaders model emotional stability. Communities benefit when individuals consistently embody compassion, patience, and kindness. Scientific interest in coherence continues expanding. Researchers are exploring its applications in education, healthcare, organizational leadership, sports psychology, trauma recovery, military resilience, aging, chronic disease management, and emotional intelligence. While research continues evolving, current evidence strongly supports coherence as an effective strategy for improving physical health, psychological resilience, and overall quality of life. Heart-brain coherence meditation reminds us that true well-being arises not merely from controlling circumstances but from transforming our internal state. External events may remain unpredictable, yet inner coherence provides stability amidst uncertainty. Instead of being controlled by stress, fear, or emotional turbulence, individuals cultivate an inner sanctuary of calm awareness that remains accessible regardless of life's challenges. Ultimately, heart-brain coherence meditation is an invitation to live with greater presence, compassion, and authenticity. As the heart and brain learn to work together in harmony, our thoughts become wiser, our emotions become steadier, our relationships become richer, and our lives become more meaningful. We discover that genuine peace is not something to chase in the outside world but a natural expression of inner coherence. In today's fast-paced and demanding world, heart-brain coherence meditation offers a timeless solution supported by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Through simple daily practice, anyone can cultivate emotional balance, mental clarity, physical vitality, spiritual connection, and lasting inner peace. It is not merely a meditation technique but a way of living, one in which the intelligence of the mind is guided by the wisdom of the heart. As this harmony deepens, we begin to experience life with greater joy, resilience, purpose, and love, realizing that the greatest transformation always begins within.